How do you use Telegram on your smart TV? Most people think you can't, but you actually can, and it's much easier than you think. But first, you need to understand this. Telegram doesn't have a proper native app for most televisions, so you'll be using workarounds. The first method is by using a browser. So you just open your TV's browser and then go to web.telegram.org. Log in using your phone number or QR code. And that's pretty much it. You'll get access to your chats, channels, and media. The second method is through Android TV app. If you're using an Android television, you just open Play Store, then search Telegram or a TV version, install, and then log in. And the third method is screen mirroring. This is the most practical, I suppose. If you don't have those other two options, you just open Telegram on your phone and then tap cast or screen mirror and then select your TV. And that's it. Those are the ways how you can use Telegram on your TV. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.